Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got something brand new that came in. I didn't pay for it, I just have to review it, and so I got it from Bzzagent. That's what it says right here. So if you go to bzzagent.com right here, it's fun, it's easy, and they email you surveys to get free products. And somehow, like, recently I've been getting a bunch of products. Usually I get like one every couple months or none at all. So recently I just been getting quite a few products, which I'm so excited. So if you go to Bzzagent, you can follow them here: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and it tells you the steps over here how to review them. It's like step one, check your email for specific instructions. Step two, try the product. Step three, share your experience. So that is pretty nice. Want to receive more Bzzagent from favorite brands? Stay in the know on new and upcoming buzz campaigns by following us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We award our most active buzz agents with even more campaigns, so don't delay. And I'm always on top of what I want to receive, and pretty much everything they have to offer I like to receive. So I received the CoverGirl Clean Fresh blush palette. It's vegan, so that's really nice. And this is what the back looks like. It has the bunny, so you know they don't, use animals. So yeah, that's the colors right here. I don't see the names of the colors. So that's what the palette looks like. It has a great mirror, and this is what it looks like. So I got 105 Peachy Doll palette right here. And this to me looks like a bronzer. And it looks like it'll be easy to pan. So it looks like that. It's like a light shimmer shade. Maybe it's a highlighter. Maybe I'll use that as a highlighter because it looks like highlighter. But these are all shimmers. So here's the middle. And here is the end. So that looks really nice. They're really nice. When you touch it, it's really smooth. Texture's nice. I might use this as a highlighter, so that's nice. I like that. I love the color. I like the color swatches. Okay, I'm gonna go in with probably the lightest one, which is right here in the middle for a blush. It is powdery a little in the pan. So I use like 2 brushes. And sometimes I'll use my finger to blend that out even more. I like a really light foundation or blush because my skin's too light to have really heavy on the blush. So I have to have really light. I think that's pretty. I have to have really light though. chose it just now. Do you see it? I think it's really pretty. And to deepen it up, I'm gonna use the shade now to deepen it up and see how that goes. Right on top. Since they are shimmery, I pretty much stamp it on, and then with the second brush, what do you think? I think it's nice. Very nice, refreshing. I don't normally typically use sparkly, but that looks really nice. I like that. And then I'm gonna use this as a highlighter. So I use like this type of brush I've been using lately. Almost reminds me of my Franken highlighter. That's really nice. I like that. Just like more blending. I use my fan brush that I've been using lately. That's what that looks like. Very nice. Thank you, Bzzagent, for this palette. This is really nice. I did enjoy it. I like it on my skin. It's really light and nice. I had to make it light because of my skin tone, but I made it like where you can see it still, but light enough that it blends in pretty good with my skin. So that's what it looks like again. I do enjoy it a lot. I can't wait to play with this more. And it is the Peachy Doll Clean Fresh Blush Palette. I really do like it. Bye for now.